folks, welcome to the Frugal Fixer shop. Spike here, and guess what? Today I was working on this little jig that goes on my overhead router that I converted on my Shopsmith to, well, to shape a neck. Let's see how I do it. Y'all wanna go? Let's go. Okay, welcome back. Okay, we're going to show you exactly what I've done to this thing and how I put it together and what I'm using for a bit and how I'm going about it. And man, this thing really is smooth. I like the way this works. This is fast. This is fast. So y'all stick with me. Let's go. Okay, what I've done is I got a 7/8 round over bit that goes in my overhead router here, 1/2 inch router and with 7/8 round over bit. And what I figured out is I need a fretboard on these to get these things to get the whole thing because it's a little short. And so that's what we got to do. We got to get us that, or we got to make this piece taller to get it up a little more. That's another way we could do it. We could add a 1/4 inch on right here and it'd fix this problem. So anyway, what I got is I got this jig made up to where I can slide the neck straight into the jig like this, clamp it down and get it even with the edges on the edge right here, spin it down and clamp it. Get it in, and that way I can feed it right into the bit. That's the bit a little bit low right now. I was trying to get a little extra reach on that thing, and it wasn't there to get. So we take it in and we go right down the side on that bearing, just like that, and come out that side. Then we turn it around, and we come in from this side, and we start at the headstock, and we go this way. But before we do, we're going to slide this thing over and get it against that edge, where it gets me a real smooth edge on that side. Okay? So when I run it through, I tighten this down, and then when I run it through this way, I can fire in to start right here and go right down this side and cut this side, and then come out right here like this. And it's the whole thing's mounted on the neck jits, and it's just a simple 4 bolts, some lock nuts, some walks down, and I made some curved on one side and flat on the other according to what I'm clamping down. So hey, it's a simple build. Just throw you one together and go at it, and man, does it work. I'm pretty darn happy with it, I'm telling you that. So you just take your neck out, and you can get a little look at the shape on this one. It ain't perfect yet. It's still a little flat on the back because I need that extra 1/4 inch of fretboard to get that shape just right on the edge. But we're getting close, okay? So that's the way I built it. We just put it together with simple stuff that I had laying around the shop. I cut this piece here to fit the side of the neck, so you can lay the neck up against it and it'll give you a nice straight line. And some of you might look at that and go, that's awful long for a guitar neck. Well, that's because I'm starting to build some bases. So now that I'm building some bases, I need a jig. I might as well make all my stuff to where it'll reach both in the future. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to lay that right there, line it up, spin the nuts down, feed it right through. That's the way it's going to work. So hey, let's go. Simple as that. Let's make sawdust. Yeah, let's go. And it needs some work right here because it's got a flat spot on top, but I'm thinking that it can maybe make that work out. I've been watching Matt Texas toast way too much. I turned the old Shopsmith into a pin router, and I just made a jig like his jig. I guess it's pretty close to what he used, and it works. Got a little shaping to do, but man, them corners are nice. I mean, it's got a nice shape to it. And it would do a lot better if it had a fretboard on it, you know, as far as the profile. It'd make the profile better, I think. Because it would be taller and it would get a little more curved. But yeah, we can work on this. Let's work on it with the sandpaper, see what comes out. Let's go. Hey, I'm doing a video. I'm comparing this method with the full hand method and with the radius jig I got made up. So we're going to try it 3 different ways, make a mix, see how they all come out. Thank you all for joining me here in the shop today. I'm dusty and dirty and got it all over me, but I've been having a good time building stuff today. We got it shaped up. Let's see how it works out, okay? Okay, that's the way the old neck jig works. We can get it out of there. Hey, come out pretty smooth. We got a little work to do, a little adjusting to do to figure it all out, but we on the way. So hey, thank you all for joining me in the shop today. Appreciate you all coming by. I just want to tell you this. God loves you and so do I. You can't take it with you, so hey, build something fun, do something to help somebody, or just enjoy life. Hey, see y'all on the next one. And yeah, I guess I gotta get a shower. I'm dirty, guys. See you next time. Later. Bye.